The purpose of this video is for you to be able to compare and contrast the three types of bonding. Now, a bond is a link between two atoms. It's basically a force of attraction that keeps two atoms together. And an understanding of what the bonds are is really important to understand how matter is structured and how matter that we see can be understood on an atomic level. Now, it all comes from the rule of 8, and the rule of 8 is, once again, that atoms want 8 valence electrons, or naturally tend to get these 8 valence electrons by doing something with the ones that they have in their elemental state. Now, they can do one thing or another thing. One thing is they lose them to another atom, and the other thing that they can do is they can share. All right, and when they share, that's a covalent bond. And a covalent bond is when they share. When it forms an ionic bond, they give and take valence electrons. All right? Now, you'll notice that I have split the covalent section into two other sections. One is true covalent and one is polar covalent. In both of them, they're shared electrons, valence electrons. But in polar covalent, it's shared unevenly. Now, the reason why the atoms stay together, why they're bonded, is because with covalent, you have two atoms, and in between them, there are some valence electrons that are being shared. It's valence electrons that come from the other one. They have like a mutual attraction for each other's. So they kind of link the atoms together. That's what these sticks represent. These sticks represent valence electrons that the atoms got. I should have said valence electrons that each atom is sharing with its neighbor. All right? And that's what these sticks represent. Now, with ionic, the given and taken creates positives and negatives. And these positive and negatives are what keeps the atoms together. They don't share their valence electrons to get 8. They give and take, and then they get their 8 like that. And then when they give and take, they become positive and negative, and they link and stick together.